You're watching EAC News. Thanks for joining us. Let's have a look at today's finance. The CSX index is currently at 506.53 points, down 1.18 points or 0.23%. The daily exchange rate is 4,062 Khmer Rial to the USD. And now a look at what else is happening in finance around the world.
Stocks wobbled and bonds fell in Asia, while the dollar rose on Tuesday after hot inflation regarding Germany's highlighted nerves about the pace and scale looming interest rate hikes. Rising energy prices added to the worry about the persistence of consumer pain. Brent crude futures touched a 2-month top of 122.43 cents a barrel after European Union vowed to slash imports of Russian oil by year's end. In equities, SP 500 futures gave up early gains to fall back to flat early in the Asian session, and the Nasdaq 100 futures were up 0.4%. MSCI's broadcast index of Asian Pacific shares outside Japan snapped up a 2-day winning streak and dropped 0.2%, and Japan's Nikkei fell 0.1%. US Treasuries slumped a return on Monday's US holiday, sending the yield to the 10-year bond up nearly 10 basic points to 2.8405%. The dollar traded on Tuesday as 107.44 per euro, up 0.3%, and 128.16 yen, about 0.4% higher. The trade-sensitive Australian and New Zealand dollars fell, with the Aussie down 0.2% at 71 cents and the Kiwi down 0.4% at 65.3 cents. Oil prices rose after European Union agreed to slash oil imports from Russia by the end of 2022. US crudes rose to $117.70 a barrel. The stronger dollar pushed the spot gold a fraction lower to 1,848 an ounce. Bitcoin railed hard overnight, jumping nearly 8% and topping 32,000 for the first time in 3 weeks. It sat just below there at $31,540 early in the Asian session. Bitcoin rose 7.93% to $31,780.51 at 10 o'clock. On Monday, up 2,334.8 from the previous close. The world's biggest and best-known cryptocurrency is up 25.1% from the year's low of May of $25,401.05 on May 12th. Ether, the coin linked to the Ethereum blockchain network, rose 9.8% to $1,989.38 on Monday, adding to $177.54 to its previous close. In the Crib Station Cafe in downtown Buenos Aires, trendy young Argentinians order their lattes and pastries surrounded by screens with real-time cryptocurrency price quotes and huge neon Bitcoin line. The bill can be paid in digital money too. Savers in South American nation is increasingly being drawn to cryptocurrency to offset years of painful inflation, now running nearly 60%. Struggling off a recent market crash, the El Salvador's troubled experiment with virtual tender. In April report, Americans' market intelligence showed crypto preference in Argentina was 12%, around the double of level of Mexico and Brazil. Adoption to hyperinflation plagued Venezuela in a higher, according to the Crypto Chancellor's report. The draw is a lack of confidence in the local peso currency, which has depreciated 14% this year against the dollar. Capital controls limited foreign exchange to 200 monthly are spurring crypto adoption. Annual inflation rose 58% in April and could go as high as 70% this year, a rate which crypto attractive despite the recent crash, which has seen stable coins like Tesla USD and Tether side and Bitcoin drop to a 6-month low. The central bank has warned repeatedly about the risk of investing in volatile digital currencies, and some adopters are taking it carefully. Sebastian Casio, 23, from Port Exportar, neighbourhood outside the capital, has said little to lose. He is looking to dig himself out of poverty using homemade cryptocurrency mine he assembled with recycled computer parts from his work. Even if the nation currency loses value, cryptocurrency is not based on the Argentinian peso but on dollars or euros, so it will always keep the same value, Christo's told.